Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is episode 8 of Rich Mom Life, and as you guys can see, I did something new with my hair. I cut it a little bit shorter, but if I ever get sick of it and I want long hair again, I can always put extensions in. But today we're going to be decorating my son's room. Finally, we get to do this. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm almost 9 months pregnant, almost at my due date, or the baby might even come sooner. So let's get this show on the road. And Kiki's in her room. You know what? She should actually have belly time. She's still in her outfit, her OOTD. Let's put Mrs. Girl down. Okay. And soon she will be getting a toddler bed, because then when she upgrades, she'll be 4. So it's gonna be a little girl. So first, let's change the walls. So I feel like going for like a baby blue type color. This is so cute. Yeah, that is gonna do it for me. Then we will be needing a bunch of stuff. Oh my gosh, it's giving me deja vu of like redecorating baby room again. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so first let's get a changing table in this room because we do need that. So let's put that there. And then we need a cot, of course, because Mrs. Boy is not going to be sleeping in his room. He's going to be like Kiki. Like they're going to be spending the first few months of their life with me in my room, sleeping with me there. I'm so excited, guys. You guys have freaking no idea. Okay. Then let's give him some teddies, shall we? And some car toys as decorations. This mat, because he's a boy. Oh my gosh. Travis is so excited, guys. You guys have freaking no idea. So bedroom stuff. We need the necessities, of course. We need a chest of drawers. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, and then we want to get him this cute set of thingy-majigs, because that we got for my baby shower. That's so cute. Okay. Okay. Now we have to put a chair there because I'm going to be feeding, of course, again, and sitting with him while he's sleeping like I do with Kiki. Like I did and still kind of do. Let's give him this rhino footstool for me because that's just so cute. Okay. So kind of similar, but because they're still babies, I mean, Mrs. Girl is gonna be getting a room makeover soon when she upgrades. She put my name in yellow hearts. That's cute. Let's give him a toy car. I just know Mrs. Boy's gonna love toy cars, because don't all boys? When you're small, when you dance. There we go. Do some decorations. We'll later on make more changes. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Now it's time for now we have the layout, and it's looking so cute so far. Oh, I need to color this as well. I think I'm just gonna make it plain. It's a touch of blue. maybe let's go for a darker blue. Yeah. The chair also needs some coloring. Okay. Now we're gonna just need a lot of decorations for babies and baby toys and stuff. We cannot forget about the noise machine. And then also a bottle. Then when I'm going to be sitting here with him, he's going to have some tummy time. Let's give him no, I don't like that color. Do they not have any other color? Okay, that looks cute. We're gonna color it. And put some of these because it stimulates their brain. There we go. Now that his room is finally all done, this will be our new baby boy's room. I just feel like I really need to kind of do something look a little bit different in my second pregnancy. That's why I cut my hair. This outfit does not look like a rich mom outfit. I just got it as a partnership deal, but it's just not my vibe. But it's cute though. The hairstyle is matching me. So this is our new baby son's room. I'm so excited, guys. I cannot wait to have him. And thanks guys again so much for watching.